The event is one of the biggest in Mato Grosso and is gathering vintage cars lovers from all over the region here in the municipal stadium Ari Tomazelli with a great variety of classic cars. There will be 3 days of exhibition and hundreds of people have already passed through here. They're all thrilled with the opportunity to see these classic cars up close. It's really cool to see how vintage cars make fans go back in time and rescue a period when the car had a great relationship with music and culture.